Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you a better way to slip stitch to join. If you usually slip stitch to join in this manner, then you're going to be left with this little extra stitch at the end. So I'm going to show you a different way to do this. Remove your hook from the stitch and then insert it into the stitch that you were going to slip stitch to join in and pull that loop through. And now pull the yarn all the way through, like that, all the way through the stitch. Now insert your hook back into the stitch and pull the yarn through there. And now you're going to have a continuous chained stitch look at the top, and now you can weave that yarn in back and forth into the finished work, and you'll have a nice stitch. If you'd like the link for this slipper tutorial, you'll find it at the end of the video.